Hello guys, I am Pranali from Robotics. So today we are going to understand about the parameters in ROS2. So let's understand first what are parameters. So parameters are like the settings of node. Just like a video game has the settings for brightness or volume, our phone has the settings, so we can just go into the settings and change. Same way, ROS2 has a parameters for things like color, speeds or spatial options. So each node keeps its own set of parameters. They can be numbers, text, true or false values, or even list. So in this tutorial we will use the TurtleSim package. So some of the parameters will control things like turtle's background color. Okay, let's start. First I'll run this and okay, so let's check out the list of parameters. Okay, so here each node has its own parameter. So this is for teleop turtle and this is for TurtleSim. Okay, so for the TurtleSim, the parameters background G, B, R, these are the red, green and blue color values for the background, and for teleop there is an scale, angular and linear, which control how fast the turtle moves forward or backward and turns. Then use sim time, which is common for all nodes. It lets the node use simulation time instead of real system time. The QoS overrides parameters are related to ROS2 communication setting, just like depth, durability, history, reliability. So these are advanced settings and are often read only. Let's see getting parameters values. Okay, so this will shows us the background G, which is the green color, is set to 86 out of 255. The value we can set in between 1 to 25. Okay, 255. So we could also check same for the background R and background B to see the red and blue components together. So that's how we can get the value. Then setting the parameters values. So I'll set the parameter values. Okay, we just change the red component of background color to 150. You should see the TurtleSim background change instantly. Okay, so you should see the changes. This changes only last until we close the node. It's not permanent unless we saved it. So we have to save it. Let's save it. Now we have saved all current parameters of TurtleSim into file called turtlesim.yaml. So this is handy if you want to reload this exact settings later without retyping them. So you can. Now we load our parameters. Okay, we can see what we have said. So this terminal won't display anything. Okay, because the output is saved directly in the file of turtlesim.yaml in your current folder. So if you want to see, just type the command turtlesim.yaml. So this is what saved in our YAML file. So you can see by using this command. Now let's load our parameters. Okay, when we load from a file, parameters that can change are updated right away. If you see read only errors, that's normal. Those are special parameters that can only be set when the node starts, not while it's running. Okay, let's load our parameters. So copy and paste. Okay, so these are two window you can see. So this time the node starts with all parameters from our file, even the read only ones. So that's how you make permanent customizations to your nodes settings. Okay, so that's all of this video. We have learned about the parameters concept, list of parameters, then checking the value, changing the value, and save all the settings that you have changed, and load the saved settings and apply this on startup. So that's all for this video. I hope you understand this. For more ROS2 content, subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comments. In the next tutorial, we will understand, we'll explore about the actions. Thank you for the watching.